So what is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to form new connections in response to the environment. What does that mean? So say for instance you met somebody interesting or amazing and you still want to learn this person. You guys are in constant communication. Your brain is forming new connections. Same goes with a drug. Say for instance you're a first time cocaine user. You snort cocaine for the first time. Your brain will form connections. So if you repeat that behavior, your brain will form connections. That's how human beings form bonds. It's governed by LPT, long-term potentiation, which I don't want to get to that now. But for the purpose of this video is for you guys understanding that human beings form bonds by creating these synapses. So if you watch my videos every day, you can say to a degree, your brain will form synapses. You'll get to realize that here's this guy, I know his voice, and I'm probably familiar with his content. So that means those cells in your brain that recognize me, they get strengthened each and every time you watch my videos. So that's how it actually works. And the same way you form bonds governed by long-term potentiation, LPT, it is also LTD, long-term depression. That means that you can also weaken bonds. The easiest way to weaken, say for instance, you and I are friends, or you don't want to watch my content anymore. The easiest way to disrupt those synapses, to weaken our bond, is for you to unfollow me and not watch my videos. So that's neuroplasticity, the ability of the brain to change in response to the environment. And what's interesting is that young people that are younger than 25, their brains are more neuroplastic than people that are older than 25. That is why I always say to young kids, you shouldn't be using substances, especially in the adolescent ages. The adolescent ages, say 16 to, not even 16, 14 to 19, where their brain is still growing. Because you don't want to introduce yourself to a substance then, because your brain will grow in the direction of the substance. And chances are far less that you will quit that substance because you use the substance at a very early age where your brain was developing. That's why I push what I push, the messages that I push, especially to school kids. So that's how it actually works. That's neuroplasticity. And if you have got anything to say about neuroplasticity, you can add that in the comment section. I'm looking forward to reading your comments.